What's poppin' with the vibes? What's going on? Y'all see what's poppin'? Y'all see what's going on? Look at my beautiful girlfriend. Look at her. Just hold on. Boom. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Ooh. On fleeky. Get in this water.
Then what?
Them sand thieves.
Sand thieves? What, them dogs? Y'all, that water ice cold. So I just went all the way in that water.
Shoes on, it's cold. It is freezing.
Hey, paddleboard. Next vlog at the beach, I'm gonna be paddleboarding. The castle.
You trying to build a castle?
Yep.
I want you to get in there.
I'm not getting in.
Not if I push you. Hold my hand. All right, come on. You get it? Nah, you get it. Waist deep, brother, for the vlog. Hey, everybody, he gonna go waist deep. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. Link is in the description. Oh yeah. All right, your turn. You gotta go knee deep.
I'm not going knee deep.
You said you was.
I never said that.
You said you was gonna get your legs in.
Hey, Lazar, you better go waist deep. Waist deep. Waist deep. Y'all see this? What a fool. Oh, what a fool. What a... No. You're ugly.
Ice cold water. I'm going crazy.
Oh my gosh. I hope y'all can see that.
Oh baby, so I can leave this lonely world alone, thinking and wondering and dreaming and you'll be by my side,
Waiting on my true love.
oh, waiting on my true love. I get so I don't know who that is. Aaliyah trying to get that good tan.
Yes, sir.
Cause y'all know she pale as a bat.
I'll be getting real.
I said a
tan.
bat, a vampire. Y'all like that little cinematic review? Anyways, we've been playing that dot game, I guess. I don't even know what it's
Dot
called.
to dot. Back up. What's all this extra? What's the extra pressing here? They feel disgusting. Back up. Stop. Not on my face, guys.
Yeah, buddy.
Excited for night swimming.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. That water cold.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Hella cold.
That water cold. Aw, shit. Vlogception. Alright, y'all, I jumped in for a little bit, but I ain't about to swim that long.
Why are you in the pool?
I don't feel like swimming like that.
Well, alright.
Why?
Because I want you to swim, but what's poppin' with the vibes? We just got back home from the.
What kind of intro is this?
This is for the vlog. Anyway, he talking about the intro for my prank that I just did on him. Y'all go watch the prank. I just did a good old prank on him. I'm not gonna tell y'all the title. Y'all go look and see on the main channel. It was a banger. He got hecka mad. He's still mad at me.
Cause it's not a prank.